I'm Charles Strong III of Strong Counseling Solutions LLC. We offer on-site counseling in Gretna, Louisiana, and board-approved online counseling throughout the state of Louisiana. For PLPCs seeking to become licensed, we offer supervision. And for mental health rehabs, we offer services of assessment, psychotherapy, and consulting. The Lightstream technique is used in EMDR and elsewhere to help at least temporarily manage emotional and/or physical pain. There have also been numerous cases of the technique having a booster shot effect, augmenting users' energy. Furthermore, sleep disturbance has been successfully managed in usage of this technique. If you're ready to practice this new skill in a comfortable location, let's begin. As we typically use this tool to tackle distress, let's focus on something that's slightly disturbing to you. So notice those sensations as you think of it, and let's flesh that out by going through a quick survey. So if this distress had a shape, what would it be? If it had a size, what would it be? If it had a color, what would that be? If it had a temperature, what would it be? If it had a texture, what would that be? And if it had a sound, a low or a high pitch, what would it be? So just notice what this disturbance looks, feels, and sounds like in your body. Now, we need to figure out what your favorite color is, or a color you associate with healing. Some people will choose white, some green, some blue. Imagine that a light of this color is beaming in through the top of your head, and it's steering itself automatically toward the shape you've identified in your body. The light is infinite and endless, and it comes freely. It directs itself to the shape in your body and resonates, vibrating in and around the shape. While it's doing this, what's happening to the shape, the size, the color, the temperature, the texture, or the sound of this inside of you? If this technique works, please feel free to continue to use it. If not, please revisit other techniques we've identified in the videos you've seen here. That's our talk for today. Hope you learned something or found something interesting. You can find more videos like these on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. We'll be back next week with a new video. So until then, thanks and be well.